Hello, hi, hi, my dear students and the viewers. One more video that explaining simple concepts. Today's concept that is pluvial, fluvial, and alluvial. Three terminology that is clearly connected with the geomorphology. Three important terminology that what are the meaning? See, you know that I am a person providing simple definition for understanding geographical concepts in geography. What are the major terminologies? My videos are mainly discussing about terminologies and concepts and facts in geography. The thing is simple definition. So fluvial, pluvial, fluvial, alluvial. So that pictorial representation, pluvial, fluvial. Alluvial, you know that it's just river eroding and that alluvial. So pluvial while pouring the water, that means raining. Fluvial while flooding, FF, PP. Pluvial pouring, alluvial while aggregating. Simple definition. And see, those who are needed, they can go for this kinds of definition. Fluvial, alluvium, simple explanation. Pluvial of pertaining to inhabiting or produced by the action of river or stream, while pluvial is of pertaining to or produced by rain. So it's kinds of simple and easy videos, easy explanation of the terminology, geography terminology, geomorphology terminology concepts. You can subscribe my channel for more update. So you can contact me if you have any doubts. Thank you. It's my contact details. So I'm taking classes for the BSc and MSc students in my college. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. So three terminology: pluvial, fluvial, and alluvial. Thank you. Thanks a lot.